Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the qualified Oat-Boat. Find the missing length. So we have the same thing that we had before, kinda. Here we were missing a hypotenuse. Now we're missing a leg. So I have A, I have C, and I'm missing one of the legs B. All right, so you kind of do the same formula, but you got to reverse it a little bit. So if you have the legs, you square them, add them, and square root them. If you have the hypotenuse in a leg, you do almost the same thing. You square them, subtract them. You always want to do the hypotenuse minus the leg. Again, always big minus small, always big minus small. And then you want to square root that number. So let's square root 324, 18. All right. See if I can get that to show up in here. There we go. There's an 18. That's not what I wanted. I wanted to actually physically drag it. There we go. That's a little 18. How was that? He fits in there nice and nice light. Nice and nice like. There we go, if I could talk. All right, that's about it, friends. Also, if you want to be a bit more risky, you can actually try to do the whole thing in one move. So if you do the square root of the hypotenuse squared minus the leg squared. So if you do the square root of that whole thing, boom, you get an 18. Okay. So the only difference is if you have the legs, you square them, add them, and square root them. But when you have the hypotenuse in a leg, you square them, subtract them, and square root them. If you ever get a negative, you know you did it wrong. Okay. So you should always do big minus small, big minus small, big minus small, hypotenuse minus leg. All right. That's about it. That is the qualified Oat-Boat.